Expanding with PENTA 17 inserts. The PENTACUT line for parting and grooving operations is being expanded to include PENTA 17 miniature precision inserts. The PENTACUT 17mm diameters inserts are designed for machining small-size parts with up to 4mm maximum grooving depth capability for applications in the miniature parts industry. The new inserts are available in a range of widths, from 0.25 to 3.18mm, with different edge configurations for parting, grooving, turning, and threading. PCHRS or LS17 tools carry inserts with 5 cutting edges for precision grooving, parting, and recessing next to high shoulders. The insert features high indexing repeatability precision for 5 cutting edges, with edge indexing enabled from both tool sides, a short head design that is most suitable for small machine tools, and very rigid and accurate clamping. PENTA 17 PRS or LS precision grooving and parting pentagonal inserts feature a positive rake inclination and sharp cutting edge, enabling low cutting forces and reduced built-up edge. The inserts are intended for soft materials, thin parts, and general parting at low feed. The PENTA 17 NPRS or LS precision grooving and turning pentagonal inserts and PENTA 17 ER or EL back turning pentagonal inserts with a flat top rake for short chipping materials are intended for use on Swiss-type automatics and small CNC lathes. PENTA 17 MTRS or LS 60 degrees and PENTA 17 MTRS or LS 55 degrees partial profile external threading pentagonal inserts have applications for general industry. PENTA 17 inserts are available in a new 10-piece packaging box that can be split into 2 compartments, so 5 inserts can be ordered at a time. ISCAR's PENTACUT is the unique 5 cutting-edge insert for economical grooving, parting, and recessing.